Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub. Well, guys, as you know, at present there are two ways to conduct IELTS speaking test by Cambridge. One is online test and one is physical test with physical examiner. So there are some problems that some students are coming across. Let me tell you whether the problems are problems or myths, and how to perform well in online speaking test and how to perform well in physical speaking test. At present, they are giving you option that you can choose online speaking or you can choose like this physical speaking with examiner. Let me tell you, in the future, there will be only online speaking left, as they are trying to conduct IELTS test. They are trying to execute all IELTS tests and they want everything in their own hands. At the moment, local examiners, like if you are from Pakistan, local Pakistani IELTS examiners, Indian examiners, Bangladeshi examiners, Nepali and Sri Lankan examiners. So they conduct speaking test and they rate the bench score, or they give the bench score to the candidates. But now through online, they are involving native speakers, or they are involving the examiners who are sitting there. If it is IDP, these examiners are there in Australia and in Canada. And if it is British Council, these examiners are there in England and they conduct the speaking test. And in future, there will be only online speaking left, as they are trying to, this is the revival of IELTS actually. They're doing all these changes. Anyways, now let's see. Many students have complained about online IELTS speaking tests that examiners do not maintain eye contact. And as we talk, examiners, they look down or they look here and there and they do not maintain eye contact. Well, guys, let me tell you, whenever you talk to anybody face to face on your WhatsApp, or like not face to face, online on WhatsApp or anywhere, what happens? You look at the person. Now, for example, if my camera is there and I'm looking at you, when I look at you, I will not be able to make any eye contact. And if by chance camera is there and the screen is here and I'm looking at the screen, you will find my eyes looking down. And you may have doubt that my eyes are closed, but actually my eyes are not closed, they are wide open. But because I'm looking at you, so this will not maintain eye contact. I think examiners should be given some training in order to maintain eye contact. Instead of looking at the candidate, examiners should look at the webcam. If you look into the eyes of camera and then the other person is looking into the eyes of camera, then there can be good eye contact. But that is not possible because examiners have to look at the candidates, how they are speaking and all that. So do not expect any eye contact in online IELTS speaking test. Number one, I used to work with one FM radio here in Lahore, and there I used to run a program that was Radio English. So I used to imagine that this program is being listened to by thousands of people who are at home, driving or whatever they are doing, they are listening to me. That was in my imagination. In the same way, when you go for online IELTS speaking test, don't worry about the examiner. Don't expect eye contact from the examiner. Don't expect feedback in the form of eye contact from the examiner, because it is not possible in online speaking. But you need to focus on what you speak. I think it's a great opportunity. Instead of looking at the examiner, you can look down, look around, look at the examiner or anywhere, but focus your answers. Let me tell you, at the end, it's not how you look at the examiner, how examiner looks at you. It's your voice that they record. In the light of your answers, they are going to give you the bench score, not in the light of your body language, eye contact, or examiner's body language and eye contact and all that. So my advice is switch on your imagination and just, visualize that someone is listening to me very keenly. Someone is very much interested, and once you visualize this situation, then don't expect and even don't look at the examiner, Because if you look at the examiner, sometimes examiner is doing this and this and this, and sometimes examiner is taking a sip of coffee. It might be distracting for you. So instead of looking at the examiner on the screen, you can look down and focus your topic and keep talking, especially if it is cue card. Take a look at the topic and keep looking at the topic and the cue card, but speak very, very clearly, loudly, okay, pleasantly. Focus what you are speaking. Don't focus the examiner, and then the problem is going to be resolved. On the other hand, just today one of my students complained that she had her speaking test. It was physical speaking test, and the examiner was yawning, and examiner was not interested. Just few minutes ago, a student of mine told me that the examiner was like this. See that? I mean, examiners are human beings as well. If they conduct 20-30 speaking tests a day, at the end they lose interest in the candidates. Okay, so again, whether it is physical IELTS exam or online IELTS exam, speaking test, I'm talking about speaking, do not expect feedback. Do not expect eye contact. Do not expect the attention of the examiner. Do not expect that examiner will look at you the way I look at you, with loving eyes and pleasantly and all that. Not at all. Instead of that, focus your message. During physical speaking test, they have a recording device on the table. So if examiner does not make eye contact with you, you can look at that recording device and just imagine you are recording your voice for your loved one, and someone is going to listen to this, and you're recording a voice message. So it's going to be all good. And when you're doing cue card, instead of looking at the examiner, look at the cue card, look at the notes and speak confidently. And yes, when examiner is asking the question, then look at the examiner. Whether it is paper delivered or computer delivered, when examiner is asking you the question, because you got to pick up the question from the examiner, then look at the examiner on screen or physically. And when you answer, do not anticipate any feedback that the examiner will say. No, don't expect anything like that, and you will be more comfortable. If you find an examiner who's giving you good feedback, it's going to be a delight for you. Otherwise, all good. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.